Oh, there's a fish. Smallmouth. Smallmouth on. Oh my God. All right, what's up, Hooked fam? Christian Brummett back for another day out on the water. I had a whole plan of this place I was gonna go. Me and Faith just moved up here to Dayton, Ohio pretty recently. And I had this whole plan of where I was gonna go fishing right now. But I was driving there and I found this. It's the Great Miami. Out here in particular where it kind of funnels. There's a lot of current. There's some still water right next to it. I have a feeling this spot is gonna be loaded with fish. So I'm gonna get down here and make a few casts, see what we can make happen. Let's do it. Oh wow, there's something chasing big time out there. All right, so I'm gonna walk down a little bit. All right, I need to go way downstream from this. That's gonna be the key, I think. Throw away. Oh, there's a fish. Smallmouth. Smallmouth on. Oh my God, that was a huge jump too. Oh my God. Yes, buddy. Yeah, baby. All right, it's a crankbait. Let's not freak out on each other now. Yes! Hey, finally, a nice fish. A nice little smallmouth, nothing crazy. Oh no! Oh God! I dropped him. I can't tell if he's back in the water or not. I don't think he is. Where is he? Where is he? There he is. There he is. Okay. Oh God. Oh God. Okay. All right. Sorry, dude. You enjoy. Woohoo! Yeah, buddy. Finally. Smells so good. Yes, finally, a nice smallmouth. That is why we came down here. Yeah, buddy. Well, I'm glad we at least got one today. Makes me very happy. Let's try one more upstream. Upriver. Oh, God. Hey, there's another one. There's another one. That feels better too. That one feels a lot better. Maybe. Hey, not better, but still a nice one. Yeah, buddy. Okay, well, so these are both in him. Okay, now that one's not. Please settle down. You're literally just completely destroying your mouth. All right, little guy. Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful fish. Here you go, buddy. So this is actually an old Strike King, I'm pretty sure, but it's just a older square bill, kind of greenish back, little chrome on the side, just a little plain square bill. I'm throwing it on 12-pound Seagar and Vizex, just 12-pound fluorocarbon. I'm throwing it on a 6.3-to-1 gear ratio and a medium action little cranking stick, older rod here as well. But this technique has worked for me many times in the river. Throwing a little square bill or a smaller little jerkbait, and the river smallmouth here in Ohio in the Midwest seem to really just can't get enough. I really want to step out to that, but for some reason I'm nervous as all get out. Oh, buddy. Okay. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that I'm sitting on top of a beaver dam right now. Could be wrong. Could be totally wrong. But we're going to make a few casts from this spot. That's what we're definitely going to do. Did I get a fish that quick? I sure did. Wow, like literally a second after I cast it in the water. It's a little one. It's a little bitty one. All right, guys. Finally getting on the big fish again. Bassmaster Elite Series Pro Rookie of the Year, Angler of the Year, Classic Champion. Probably. See ya. All right, well, that's 3 on the day. Even though that one was, you know, pretty much didn't even barely count, but that was like soon as it hit the water, I got that sucker. Feel like there's some grass or something on it. Most definitely is. Oh no, there's a little fish on it. Oh my gosh. Another one that's snagged too. Damn, this hook is way up in him. Okay. He's bleeding. He's a little baby, but it'd be alright. He just swam off. Well, that's 4. 4 fish day. That's what I'm talking about. There's a fish. Well, that sucks because now, come on, dude, quit freaking. Another one. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Thanks, buddy. Alright, so switched it up a little bit. I'm going to throw this deep diver, which is a little mini deep diver. Okay, well, it's definitely hitting the bottom, which is exactly what I wanted. Now we just got to get it in front of some fish. Holy fuck. There's a fish. Little guy, it looks like. Seems like. Yep. Woohoo. Alright, so that's like 5 or 6, I think. Thanks, buddy. Oh my gosh, look at that. with the helicopter landing in the background. Hopefully that's not landing because somebody's like super hurt. I wish Faith was here right now and she could see how little this guy is. Oh, dude. Now I get to try to find this guy. There he is. Dumbass. All right, guys. Well, we got quite a few little smallmouth today. It was totally awesome. I wish Faith could have been here with me because we've been trying to go out a couple of times lately and just haven't had any luck at all. But we got some fishing trips and little outings planned, so make sure you guys are staying tuned into the channel for that. As always, if you guys are not subscribed already, make sure to hit that subscribe button for me. It does help out a lot. I really appreciate it. And as always, you guys stay hooked and we'll catch you next time. See ya.